Welcome back, developers. In the last one, we had bootstrapped our application, and in this one, we'll see different ways to run our applications. Mainly, we'll explore Expo Go and a development build, and we'll see which one we should use. To get started, I've opened my project in VS Code over here, and I also have two emulators, Android and iOS. To get started, we need to run npm start, which will then internally run Expo start for us. Let's wait for it to get started. It will take some time to bundle the application. It has successfully finished it, and to open it on Android we need to hit A. To open it on iOS we need to hit I. So we get both over here. So to test it out that it's working, I'll open index.tsx and change tab 1 to home page. And as you can see, we got hot reloading over here, so it changes our application in both Android and iOS. So let's talk a bit more about Expo Go. So Expo Go is a sandbox environment in which currently our application is running. You can check that by going to the home screen, and as you can see, we have Expo Go over here, inside which our application was running. It's not a standalone build of our application, meaning it has some limitations. You cannot install libraries which need to interact with the native code, and it's also not recommended to use Expo Go for production applications. You can read more about it in the documentation over here. As it states, Expo Go is not recommended for building production quality applications. We should use a development build instead. It's also not recommended for deploying or distributing our applications, right? So it has also some benefits, like if you need to prototype something really quickly, to test something quickly out, you can head over with Expo Go. You can also go over to Apple Store or Android Store and download the Expo Go application and scan the QR code over here to get the application running on your device, and make sure your PC and your device are on the same network. Now we'll see more on a development build. So what is a development build? Development build is basically a standalone build of your application, which has like no limitations. You can do whatever with it. So all the features are enabled, all the debugging tools are there, and it has some features like hot reloading, which we also get with Expo Go. So to make a development build, first we need to configure our ES.json. In the next one, we'll see how we can configure a ES.json and create our development build. So stay tuned.